Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I usually cover Neo stock, but I've just decided to cover Neo stocks in this channel as well. So I'm gonna start with Wish. Okay, I mean it's a good company. They have good e-commerce, similar to Amazon. So why not? The stock has been down about from its all-time high from $33 to about $1.61. Wow, what a great opportunity that was. So 95% down. Okay, so maybe a reversal can be around the corner. So let's take a look. Okay, so now we know the stock has been down, it's been creating lower lows formation. Look at this lower lows. I like to see this in the stock because I know the momentum is towards the downside, and anywhere whenever it gets beaten up like that, reversal might be in place. Okay, so even if you look at the RSI is, bottomed out. Stochastic is slowly going up in the weekly time frame, and you can see in the monthly time frame. Look at this beautiful pattern. Okay, it's been coming down, sell pressure, sell pressure, sell pressure, sell pressure, sell pressure, and then slowly it's dying out, and then we have this beautiful, bullish candle in place. Okay, so if it can close in this manner, you will see a pump towards the upside very soon. Okay, so that's why I've decided to make a video on Wish stock. Okay, remove this. So I'm sorry about that. So now let's bring the resistance. Okay, so you have to place your soldiers like this resistance. Okay, so now you can see it hit its head, came down, hit its head, came down, hit its head, came down, and it's going towards there. Okay, $2.74 around that price area. But this is roughly, I'm just doing this, then later I'm gonna place the Fibonacci. Okay, so now you can see how beautifully this pattern is being created. Okay, it's basically in this downwards channel, and just going here and there. Okay, even in the 4 hourly time frame, if you go and look at this pattern over here, you can see you can just draw this neckline over here. Okay, this neckline, and you can see it uh, basically tried to create this beautiful, let me show it to you, head and shoulder pattern. Okay, look at this. So left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder. So this is an inverse head and shoulder pattern. So what it's trying to do, if it breaks this, it looks like it did, but I want a confirmation for this breakout. If we get another candle towards the upside, then that would be perfect. But the price target, if that happens, is gonna be somewhere over here. Okay, around $3.15. Okay, and you can see it's gonna come and hit these resistance points. Okay. Now, depending on if it can close another candle, either today or tomorrow, doesn't matter. Sometimes what happens, the price comes down, and maybe find some support at this level and then try to bounce back up. So it all depends. You have to just wait for the confirmation if a candle can close above this price area, okay, above the neckline. But if you want to be extra careful, you can just wait for this resistance to be broken, okay? And that can give you an indication as well, okay? Now, if you go and check the EMAs in the, I would say in the daily time frame, it's going to be the best. So if you look at the EMAs, okay, the yellow being the 20, 55 being the green line, and 100 the purple line, okay? Now you can see this yellow line has been just going, downwards, and you can see when it was here, right over here, it never crossed the green line, okay? So the momentum never picked up. I mean, it did try to break it, but it got rejected by the 100 moving average. So this is what you don't want to see, okay? You want to see the yellow crossing the 55, and then eventually green and the yellow line crossing the 100 moving average. That's your indication a reversal is in place, okay? Now, if you come over here to the present day, this is what you want to see. Once you cross the yellow with the green line, which is the 55, that's your first indication bulls are stepping up, okay? And then eventually the two EMAs crossing the 100 moving average, okay? And you want the price, the green candles or the red candles to be above the EMAs, okay? Like that, okay? And the candle may be somewhere over here, or uh, see in the weekly, you can see, you can wait for the weekly time frame for the candles to be above the 20 moving average. This is the best indication I can give you, because you can see it came here, got rejected, okay? Then rejected. You know, you want the price to be above the moving averages. That is the best way to, you know, maybe get into the stock. But I'm not a financial advisor. I just do this for knowledge as and information purposes, okay? But yeah, this is your indication. Even if you look at the RSI, look at that. It's bottomed out right now in the weekly time frame. If you go in the daily time frame, it's picking up, but we had this beautiful bullish divergence in place. The momentum was coming down. I mean, the price was coming down, momentum was picking up. So obviously, you know, we went up about 45% towards the upside, okay? So now just wait for the, you know, confirmation in the daily time frame. If it can break the, you know, this bullish inverse head and shoulder pattern, momentum can pick up towards the upside. Now, if you take a look at the Fibonacci, get the Fibonacci out, which is my favorite tool to measure, okay? If you just measure this move over here, okay, and you can see clearly how beautifully it respects the Fibonacci levels, okay? So you can see it came down, hit the 2 level, okay, and then got some support there, picked up, okay, and you can clearly see where the next resistance is. These candles over here, which is the 1.618 Fibonacci level at $3.08. So it can probably, if you see it getting broken, it breaks this resistance, it will go and hit the $3.08 at 1.618 Fibonacci level. Probably gonna come down and retest this resistance as support. If this support gets validated and it holds, then it will start moving towards the upside, okay, and then eventually break it and then go towards the 1.414 Fibonacci level, which sits at $4.16. So if you just place this Fibonacci, everything is working accordingly to this Fibonacci. I can just quickly summarize this for you. Look at this over here, okay? So the price went up, price went up, came down, 0.382, held, failed, came down, held, failed, came down, held, then went up to 0.618, failed. So every Fibonacci level, it's actually respecting it in the weekly time frame, okay? So this is your biggest indication, but again, you have to see if it can break. Look at this, okay? So this makes perfect sense. The 20 moving average is coming very close to this Fibonacci level. So like I said, it will go up. If it breaks, it will come and hit the 20 moving average. So that's why I told you wait for the confirmation if it gets above the 20 moving average, because if it gets above the 20 moving average, chances are this is the 55 moving average. It will come and try to get to that moving average, okay? So yeah guys, this is it for Wish. Hopefully this brought you some new information, and if you like this kind of content, hit the like button. So if you want me to continue making videos on some new stocks, you know, why not? Just hit the like button. And if you want me to continue making about wish.com, just hit the like button. So I know that you guys are liking this content, and I will continue delivering for you guys. Okay, thank you so much and have a good day. Bye bye.